Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix this account exists on the device error on World App. So it's actually very easy. So if you open the World App and it tells you that the account already exists and you can't log into this account. So first you need to go to the settings I'll see from here. After that you need to search for the World App from here, or you can actually just go to the apps. So you can actually go to apps and notifications from here and go to apps info. So from here you can just search for World App, and I'll see from here you can just click on the World App. Now you need to actually uninstall the app, hit on OK, and now you need to go to Google Play. I'll see from here, just open Google Play and search for World App. So now you can just click on it and install it again. So after the app installs, you can just try to log into the app again and see if that works with you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.